Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make your TikTok account public, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and let's move on. And remember this, if you make your TikTok account public, then all of the people can see your videos and your photos on your TikTok which you uploaded, alright? They can even follow you and they can see the number of people who follow you as well. So that's what making your account public means on TikTok. So if you know what it means, let me show you guys how to do that. First step, you need to click on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you're in the profile setting of your TikTok, you can see the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Once you click on it, the pop-up menu will open up. From over here, click on settings and privacy. Now once you click on settings and privacy, this thing will open up. From over here, you want to choose the second option, privacy. Once you click on privacy, the first option versus private account, make sure to turn it off and click on switch. Once you do that, your TikTok account is now public. Now anybody can watch your videos and follow you and see the number of followers you have, alright? And even comment on your videos and like them. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.